Okay, so this is our little financial maths best buys, where we're looking at the unit cost of something to compare what is the best value. Easiest way to look at this is with a question. So Paul is buying laundry powder. His brand comes in 3 sizes at 3 different prices. 350 grams for $1.86, 800 grams for $3.28, and 2 kilograms for $8.70, which is the best buy. So mostly in supermarkets these days, especially Woolworths, Coles, things like that, they already present the unit cost for you, so you don't have to work it out. But smaller places and various places online, it might be worthwhile comparing them. So what the unit cost method does is it gets each of these to be an equivalent amount, and we can compare the prices for an equivalent amount. Now we could go down to the price per gram, but then we'd be dividing by 350 over here, and that would be a very, very tiny amount. So we might look at the price per 100 grams. So for here, to get this down to 100 grams, we divide by 8. So we'll be dividing this by 8 to get the cost per 100 grams. So it's pretty much just ratios. So let's start with this one. 350 grams for $1.86. We want to get this down to 100 grams, so we're dividing by 3.5 on both sides. This is 100 grams, and this will be 186 divided by 3.5. So for this option, sorry about moving that, 1.86 divided by 3.5. This one costs 53 cents per 100 grams. To get 800 grams down to 100 grams, we're going to be dividing by 8. So 800 grams for $3.28. 100 grams dividing by 8 for 3.28 divided by 8. So here I've got 100 grams for, let us find out, 0.41, so 41 cents. So this is cheaper than the small size, which makes sense. Usually buying in bulk is cheaper for the same amount. And I've got 2 kilograms for $8.70, so that's 2,000 grams. To get, sorry, I wouldn't normally put that dollar sign in the working itself. It was a bit lazy of me. So to get this down to 100 grams, I'm dividing by 20. So $8.70 divided by 20, 0.435. Oops, so it's money, so of course we're going to 2 decimal places, so that would be 0.44. So in fact, this one's cheaper, and you would have, of course, your statement, therefore 800 grams for $3.28 is cheapest at 41 cents for 100 grams, so it is the best buy. So you'd give your word answer there. So really we're just doing ratios and getting each thing to a comparable amount. We could have gone for amount per kilogram, but then we get a little bit annoying with how do we get that to be a kilogram, so we go for whatever amount is easiest. Now do remember that there are other factors involved. Just because something's the cheapest doesn't mean you need something in that amount of bulk, and so we do need to consider that. So this question here, Fiona needs a new mattress. The one she wants is at 2 stores at the same retail price. Store A has a 2-for-1 offer, and store B has a 1/3 off sale. Which should she choose, and explain? If she goes for a 2-for-1 offer, she's going to spend the full cost and get 2 mattresses. If she goes for the second, store B, she will pay 2/3 of the cost, which is less money, but only get 1 mattress. Now, if she's got somebody who wants a mattress as well and is prepared to go halves with her, then she'd pay only half the value of the retail price and she'd get her mattress. But if she paid the full retail price for 2 mattresses, she hasn't saved money and she's got an extra mattress that is going to be in the way. So probably your explanation here would be simply something like this. So she should buy 1 mattress from store B at 2/3 of the price, unless she needs 2 mattresses, which the question says she only needs 1, so probably not. Or has a friend who wants a mattress at half price. So be aware with your best buys that just because something is cheaper in bulk isn't necessarily saving if you don't need it in bulk.